Good morning, I'm Alex at TotalHeadturners, and today I'm going to show you this beautiful car. It's a very rare Cobra. This Cobra is manufactured by a company called Unique AUTOCRAFT and known as the Python. Three guys started the company. They were based in Harlow, not far from here. Built cars from around about 1981 up to about 1993, 94. Around about 99 cars are said to have been built. And there aren't many with the big block V8 like this one. The Unique AUTOCRAFT used a very heavy duty chassis, probably one of the biggest and strongest chassis you see when you look underneath most of the Cobra replicas. Some of the really great bits they did, they made lots of special parts themselves, like their own door lock design. The doors actually have about 1 inch longer than most of the other Cobras, which allowed a lot easier access for getting in and out of them. All the panels are all double skinned. The thickness and quality of the fiberglass is really good quality. Overall, Unique AUTOCRAFT were probably one of the best engineered Cobras at the time. One of the really good parts of the Unique AUTOCRAFT is the extra length in the door. There's around about 1 inch more in the door than there are on most of the other Cobra replicas, and it allows it much easier access, really good quality. Their own design of door lock made everything was really nicely built and put together. Also, most of the panels are all double skinned, so you can see the fiberglass everywhere is very good quality and very strong, nice and thick, really good quality design. If you look at the body styling, it's got that lovely 427 shape to it. Very nice, thick quality bodywork. Some of the details on this car, we've got the beautiful P700 headlamps. This particular one's just fitted with a chrome overriders. We've got Halibram wheels with lovely Avon CRZZ tyres, really good grippy tyres, very period correct looking, and really good tyre. Really like the Avons. We've got some chrome side pipes. She makes an absolutely amazing noise, which you'll hear in a minute. Lovely big chrome fuel filler. Always love the sound of them popping open. And then beautiful back end, and quite like the way just the stick-on number plates give it a really cool finish and look. The colour is called California Sage, which is a 60s style colour, probably most seen on Aston Martins. If we come round and have a look at the interior, you see it's kept nice and basic, just like the original cars. We've got black carpet, black seats, some lovely big black racing belts, beautiful patinaed motor litre steering wheel, and again you can see your simple dials just telling you exactly what you need, your revs, your speed, and your engine temperatures and charging and fuel gauge and so on. One of the big points with this car is the huge, monstrous 454 big block. The amount of power and torque from a big block, even the sound is always slightly different than the small blocks. This particular one I think is a tall deck, 454 cubic inch, which is about 7.5 litre, mated up to a Richmond gearbox, which is a 5-speed, Jaguar limited slip diff, and we've got big Jaguar 4-pot caliper brakes all around. So a really powerful, fast, top quality car. Something very special about driving a big block Cobra. When you get out on the road, you'll feel it's the torque and the amount of endless power that you've got. You don't need to drive these hard at all. Any gear, any speed, the car will move. Sound is just awesome. We've got a very mechanical feeling gearbox. It's a Richmond 5-speed, but very, very tough gearbox to take all the power. And there's plenty of it. Very rigid chassis, car feels lovely and planted. Tons of power. You definitely wake the neighbours up with this. Very easy to drive car. When you've got endless torque, you can almost put the car in any gear and move the car around. It's a nice solid feeling car. Sounds just great. Ooh. Lovely feeling on the brakes. Doesn't feel like a heavy car at all, feels lovely and light. Steering's weighted but very easy. As long as you move the car as you steer, you can do it with one hand. Awesome car. Real joy to drive. On a day like today, absolutely perfect. Just tickling the throttle. Just to show you, we could even put her in third. Pull away in third. You could drive all day in third gear, 5 mile an hour and probably 90 mile an hour. Drive it like an auto. It's got 5 gears, so you can get really good fuel economy on a long run. Obviously, blasting through the lanes, you'll use a bit of fuel, but worth every penny. Don't really want to take this one back. For full details and more information and pictures on this car, you can find out all the information on our website, which is www.totalheadturners.com. You can call us anytime on 01992 573 564, and we've always got time to talk Cobras. So if you're looking for a Cobra, there's plenty to see at Total Head Turners.